I'm so glad I get to see your face.
Hello, I'm Dr. Dume, here with a simple stay-at-home place craft. What are we making? Shadow puppets. That's right, shadow puppets. Let's take a look. Creating a simple shadow puppet. You'll start with a silhouette image. You can draw your own or find one. Right, printing it out the size you want, that's important. A rough cut first, just get them off the paper and onto the cardboard. Here we go, put the glue on it. Smear that glue around, my favorite step. Gonna smooth those down onto the cardboard. This cardboard is just food packaging cardboard. I think it's from a pizza box. Then I'm gonna do a rough cut in the cardboard. After the rough cut, we're going to do a close cut for detail. This is super important because this is what's going to make it look like a thing. Now, here on the ship, you can see I decided just to cut straight through all the ropes, keeping the shape a little simple. The llama had to do some very careful cuts between the legs so I didn't bend them out of shape. Take your time, cut from a couple directions. The conquistador. Had to make sure to get the head and the face really well cut out there, otherwise it wouldn't really look like a conquistador. Now after you get them all cut out, you're going to take a popsicle stick or chopstick or other type of stick, glue it to the back, and then tape it in place so the glue can dry. There's my Spanish galleon. Very fancy. Can you tell that's the conquistador? There's the conquistador. And these are the puppets that I need for the show that I'm going to use. There's the llama. I'm not too happy with that. I may work on that some more. What puppets will you design for your shadow puppet show? That's your next big decision. Can't wait to see what you come up with. See you next time at Stay at Home Place.